Hello friends, today we are learning data types, dictionary and second data type none. Yesterday you learned these data types, so let us start. Dictionary is a data type where you can store key value pairs. Items in a dictionary are enclosed in curly brackets. Dictionaries permit faster access to data. Every key is separated from its value using a colon sign. The key value pairs of a dictionary can be accessed using the key. So, this is the example of dictionary. A is the variable of type dictionary which stores the mobile numbers of persons. So you can see this is the person name colon and this is the mobile number. So this is the key. The surname is the key and this mobile number is the value. So key colon value pairs are stored in a dictionary. Okay. So in this example you can see three key pairs, three key value pairs. Okay. Shinde colon and this mobile number, that means this mobile number is of this person. Next there is a comma and then next key value pair is this is the person's name colon then his or her mobile number and so on. Now how can you get or how can you use the dictionary? See, when you type dictionary variable then bracket and this key, person name is the key, it will print his mobile number. Okay. So note this, that dictionary is a data type in which you store key value pair. Key value pair means one data is key and value is related to this key and both the values are separated by colon. See, we can store roll number and the name of student having that roll number. This is the good example where you can store the data, means key value pair in a dictionary. So see how we will use the dictionary. Variable name is A equal to sign curly bracket. Then we are going to store name and the mobile number of that person. So name is string type, so single quote, Mehta, this is the key, colon, and mobile number is some. The next key pair is this is the person and his mobile number. After colon, give the mobile number. Okay. Enter. Now you can see or you can access the mobile number using the key, because in this key value pair, this first value or string is a key, while after colon it is a value. So this is key value pair. This is second key value pair. To access this mobile number, you can give the dictionary name, square bracket, note down square bracket, and give that string Mehta. Enter. Okay. So print bracket A Kai. Square bracket complete and this round bracket of print complete. Enter. So in this way you can store the data in the dictionary. Now next is none. So what is none? It is a special data type. It is used for the absence of value in a situation. When there is no value to store in a variable, you can store none in that variable. None supports no special operations and it is neither false nor zero. So when there is nil value or there is absence of value, for example, one of the person has no PAN card number. So as there is no PAN card number, there is absence of value. So in that case, you are going to store none. See the example. This is the variable name equal to none. When you give print command with type function, print in bracket type in bracket this variable name, you will get this output. Let us see. Variable equal to capital N O N E, none. So what is the type of that variable? Type in bracket variable bracket complete. Enter. You can see the type of variable is none type. Okay. Now next is some theory part. Okay. So let us see some theory part. Mutable and immutable data types. Variables whose values can be changed after they are created and assigned are called mutable. Variables whose values cannot be changed after they are created and assigned are called immutable data type. When an attempt is made to update the value of an immutable variable, the old variable is destroyed and new variable is created by the same name in memory. So, those data types which can be changed are called mutable data types. The data types which cannot be changed are called as immutable data types. So, we have seen all these data types: integer, float, complex, boolean, string, list, tuples, sets, dictionary. So in this list and dictionary are mutable data types. That means list and dictionary can be changed. You can add more data items in a list or a dictionary, or you can delete data items from list or dictionary. So, list and dictionary are mutable data types, while other data types are immutable. Integer, float, complex, boolean, string, tuple, set are immutable data types. So, when you created an assigned value, you cannot change it in future. Okay. Now see, deciding usage of Python data types. We have seen list, tuple, set and dictionary data types. All can store more data items in it, you know. So, which data type is to use in which condition? For that, this theory part is here. So, lists, when we need a simple iterable collection of data that may go frequent modifications, list is the data type you can choose when you need number of modifications. Means, for example, see, you may store name of students of a class. Why you can store name of student in a class in a list? Because if there is new admission, you have to add that student name in a list. So list can be changed. So you have to choose list data type to store the name of students in a class. Okay. So these are the situations you have to study which data items are going to change and which are not. According to that, decide the data type. Tuples are used when we do not need any change in the data. For example, name of months in a year. As tuple is immutable data type, you can store data items permanently. So, if you want to store name of months which are 12 in a year, it is not going to change. You are not going to add more months, or you don't want to delete month. from tuple. So in that case you can choose data type tuple. Next, sets are used when we need uniqueness of elements and to avoid duplicacy. For example, if you want to store roll numbers of students in a particular class, you can store roll numbers in set. Why? Because for each student there is only one roll number. That roll number is not going to repeat. So each roll number is distinct. So in this case you can choose set. Dictionary is used if we need a fast lookup based on a custom key or logical association between the key value pair. For example, a mobile phone book. Students note it that when you have to store two associated value pair, means roll number and the name of that student having that roll number. Second example, a person name and his mobile number, and so on. In that case, use dictionary. Students, now you have understood which are the data types in Python. So, in the next lecture, we are going to learn how to get input and to print the output. Okay? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.